Well, with spinach, quinoa and a sprinkle of feta cheese, these savoury muffins that we're about to make are simple and perfect for breakfast, lunch or even a snack.
Yeah, we do love a savoury muffin. Here to show us how is the healthy chef Teresa Cutter. So good to see
guys.
you, Teresa.
Good to see you too.
We're excited about this because we think that the savoury muffin gets a bit of a hard go and it deserves more credit. So
it does.
How do you bring this all together?
Well, it's full of goodness. It's a great way. Look, it's high in protein and fibre. It's a great way of using up all the leftover veggies that you have in the fridge, which is fantastic.
Yeah.
And I use it. It's great for meal prep. These muffins will last for about 3 or 4 days in the fridge, so it's great for kids at
I
school.
love it. And healthy, because you are the healthy chef, right?
They are good for
so
you.
What do we do?
OK, so I've got a couple of cups of quinoa in here. So this is already cooked. This has been cooked already. Now, this is 200 grams of spinach in here, and I've wilted that down in a pan with just a little bit of olive oil, so it wilts down. It looks a lot, but it wilts down into nothing.
I was going to say that was a lot, but then
not much there. Not much there, which is fantastic. And then you can use spring onions, you can use chopped parsley. So whatever else you have in the fridge, I've got a little bit of lemon zest in here as well. Now, what's going to bind it all together is some eggs. So I've got some organic eggs in here.
Do you know what, I'm with you all the way here. All this is easy so far.
This is really, really easy. Now, if you want a little bit of parmesan, I like to add a bit of parmesan in here. If you don't want... This is about 30 grams, Kylie.
30 grams, OK, right.
But if you don't want that much, if you don't want to use parmesan, you can use a nutritional yeast if you're dairy-free or something like that, which is fantastic. And then pretty much simply, it's just you mix it all together. You know, you season it, salt, pepper, all that sort of stuff. But if you've got leftover pumpkin, you can add pumpkin to this, you can add zucchini. I've even got some green peas here.
OK, so the important thing, how many eggs did you put in?
Look, the base mix is around 4 eggs.
4, because you need that to bind it. So if you're putting a whole bunch of pumpkin...
Give or take, you'd add an extra egg.
Extra egg, right?
You are clever.
That's
also add a bit of moisture. Do they sort of keep a bit of that moisture in? Because savoury muffins can sometimes be a bit dry, but this one's not like that.
I think the more veggies that you put into a muffin, a savoury muffin, the more moisture it has. So you've got the moisture in the, in the spinach, you've got the moisture in the peas or the pumpkin or whatever else you're using. You don't need to put a ton of oil in there.
So we're going to cook them in these patty trays, but where does the feta come in?
Now, the fetas, this is what I'm going to do. Yes. So what I'd like to do is I'll just...
Oh, that's a good idea. An ice cream scoop.
The ice cream scoop is your best friend when you're making a muffin. So you pile that in. Yeah. OK, pile that into your ice cream scoop. And then you pretty much just sprinkle the feta on top.
Oh, so importantly that doesn't go into the mix.
That's correct. You know, you can also use ricotta if you don't want feta, but that's all. And then what I've done, I've just got a little sprinkle of some hemp seeds, or you can put some pine nuts. I was going to use some pine nuts, but they're really super expensive in the shops at the moment.
Prefer that.
I've got some hemp seeds in there, so fantastic, in the oven for around about half an hour.
So the salty goodness of the feta, but this recipe, this is from your brand new book, which is Feel Good Baking.
Feel Good Baking. I'm super excited about it. But look, when they come out, they just turn out like this. And I pretty much just like to put a little dollop of yoghurt or hummus and eat them.
What are we going to find in the book?
OK, 100 of my all-time favourite recipes. It's sweet and savoury, hence the savoury muffin and like in muffins. But it's fantastic for the whole family. It's high in goodness. It's got, you're using olive oils and really good flours. It's easy to make. You've got from breakfast to lunch to dinner to desserts, anything you want to bake.
Fabulous, Teresa. Your recipes are always terrific.
Available Australia-wide.
You OK there, Chris?
I just walk straight into this, don't I? I have a big head, a big mouth, and I try to do it all in one. But it is delicious.
Do you like it? Yeah, you need that. You need that yogurt. It is moist. It is beautiful, and it's not dry. And it's gorgeous.
You can find the full recipe over on our website, and for more great ideas, Teresa's new book is out now. It's called Feel Good Baking. Good stuff. You right there?
Guys.
I'm managing.
Muffin mouth? Would you like
Muffin man.
Coming up, more beautiful tributes to the legendary Jane Goodall and the incredible legacy that she has left behind.